Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick video for you to show you how to submit your website's sitemap to Google Search Console so that it can get indexed and start showing up in those results. If we haven't met yet, I'm Meg. I'm a Squarespace web designer, and I'm here to help you elevate your business and your websites without the tech overwhelm. All right, this one's going to be quick and easy today, folks. I'm going to hop over and show you exactly how to submit your site to Google Search Console. And if you're a Squarespace user, I will also show you how to connect your Squarespace website to your Google Search Console account. Now, disclaimer here, this assumes that you already have your account and your domain verified in Google Search Console. So if you haven't done that, it's another video that you'll need to take a look at. We won't be going over that in this video today. But if you've got that all ready to go, let's jump over and I'll show you how quick it is to submit that sitemap and get your site indexed and start showing up in those search results. Okay, before I show you how to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console, first I'm going to show you how to connect your Squarespace website to Google Search Console. So again, this assumes you've already gone in and created your Google Search Console account and verified your domain. So once you've got that done, it's really easy to connect. And there are two ways to do this. The first is what I think is the quickest and simplest way of doing it, and that is to go to your analytics menu, come over to where it says search keywords. And if you have not connected already, you will see this option to hit connect. So you just click that connect and you will get a pop-up window that will be asking you to select the Google account associated with this website and your Google Search Console account. And once you've done that, it pretty much takes care of itself. It's very easy. Just follow the prompts and you'll be done in just a few minutes. Another option for doing this, a couple more steps, but works just as well, is if you come to settings and you scroll down and you find connected accounts. And then again here, you would connect account and you would select Search Console. And then the same thing will happen. That pop-up will open asking you to select the appropriate Google account associated with this website and your Google Search Console account. And you'll be good to go. So once you have that all taken care of, now I'm going to go show you how to submit your sitemap to the Google Search Console. So when you log into your Google Search Console account, you're going to come to your property, and then you're going to come down here to Sitemaps. And you're going to click on Sitemap. And then in this spot here, you're going to type in your site. And your sitemap address is your domain, your web address, https:// You're going to type in your site name, your domain.com/sitemap.xml. And then you're just going to hit submit. And that's all you have to do. There's nothing to it. And once that's submitted, the Google bots will do their thing and they'll start to crawl your site over time and help you get seen in the search engines. So there you go. Something that kind of can seem a little bit scary to folks is actually quite easy to implement when you know exactly where you need to go and what you need to do. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope we'll see you again soon.